Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Today, let's look at a 2020 Yamaha 242S. This 2020 Yamaha 242S has got the rear seating on the back deck, stereo remote control, speakers, cup holders, non-slip flooring, has a center walk-through with a removable cushion that goes down in here. It's powered by twin 1.8 liter Yamaha high output engines. Very easy access. Plenty of power. More speakers in the rear. Dual captain chairs. Swivel with armrests. Reclining seats. Dual throttle controls. The large touchscreen navigation system in the console. Tilt steering wheel, more cup holders. Cell phone holder. Over on the port side you have a glove box, serves also as a little table. More cup holders, more speakers. Large storage area, has a table. This seat deck is actually removable. Port and starboard seating has ample space. Both sides. Also has a step in the front for easy boarding in and out. This is the 2020 Yamaha 242S. If you'd like to take a look at this Yamaha 242S, I'm Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168.